Well, hello guys and good morning. Welcome to another vlog. This is my first vlog that I'm actually vlogging since I've announced that I am having a baby, and I'm very excited to be back vlogging. I was just listening to a podcast there now. The reason why I'm vlogging today and the reason why I'm at home, because I'm generally staying in Paddy's house. It's my first consultation with meeting with my consultant and my team of midwives, so I have no idea what to expect. Paddy and I had our own private scan. You may or may not have known that. This is like the appointment where they take my bloods, they kind of check me out a bit. I guess they just look at the baby, check the sizing, organs and stuff. They'll be still underdeveloped, but they should be all there, so they're going to be checking all that. It's not like my anatomy, oh god, I can't say that word. That's at 20 weeks. That's like the big scan where they check like the functioning of everything in the body, the baby's body obviously. So I'm kind of nervous for this because if you do or do not know, we're back in lockdown here in Ireland, but they haven't really lifted the maternity restrictions anyway, so partners can never come in to the maternity, like they just couldn't the whole way along. So I'm home today because I have to bring a urine sample and I'm closer to my hospital at my house, so that's why I'm home. I know I shouldn't be travelling during COVID, but I have to because it's for essential reasons. So I stayed at home last night, and my mum and dad are at home, like they're not leaving and they're not going anywhere. My dad's working from home and my mum's caring for my nanny and my granddad's, and obviously Paddy's working from home as well. Sorry, I'm really all over the place. I kind of have a bit of like baby brain on top of anxiety for this, nervousness, emotions. It's just like obviously a very big deal, like being your first time being pregnant and you don't know what to expect. Maybe later after I've had the scan and meet with the consultants, I'll be able to give you a little bit of a better explanation of everything. I also am staying here for the next 2 days because I need to go to my doctor, not tomorrow but the next day. This is my own GP, to get my flu vaccine. I have to get it if you're pregnant. It's a recommendation, so I've never had it before, but I'm not afraid of needles, so I don't really care. I'm struggling a little bit with clothes at the moment. I did buy a couple of maternity things from Missguided, which I love, and I tried them on last night. I will have my 12-week update video coming soon. It'll probably be after this video. I have a couple of other videos like I really want to plan, like symptoms of how I found out I was pregnant and stuff, and kind of life updates. Like I have a lot to update you guys on, and I'm so sorry I've been absent. It's just, number one, I haven't been feeling well. Number two, I haven't been ready to talk about it, because obviously like it's something that I just wanted to keep between myself and my family for as long as possible, and it's something that Paddy and I have just loved kind of just having together. Like it's just been lovely. Been the best time of my entire life. Like it's just such a positive on the shite year that 2020 has been. And then also like I don't really want to, obviously I didn't want to be like talking about it prematurely because you just don't know what happens. You just can't predict the future, but I feel like at this kind of stage I'm kind of happy enough talking about it. I'm a little bit all over the place, but I do have more structured videos coming up. You know the way I do with vlogs, they're a bit raw and they're kind of all over the place anyway, and you know the way I am. So I did pick up maternity stuff from Missguided and a couple of other bits. I'm wearing leggings that I got from Zara. I'll show you them later when I'm back from my appointment. A couple of like nice little shirts and stuff, just because I just want to be comfortable. I don't really care because I'm not going anywhere. We're in lockdown. We won't be leaving until December. Looks like Dublin's not going to be coming out of a lockdown anytime soon, so I've no idea what is going to be happening. The maternity situation, Paddy and I can't be together until the baby is like, I'm in full-blown labour. Like even when my waters break, Paddy can't come in with me, which sucks, and we've been both a little bit disappointed about it, but it's just the way COVID is. Like my great granny was a midwife and my grand aunt was a midwife, and I just keep thinking of them like the whole time when they were like cycling around the place delivering babies before people were brought to hospitals. All the women that came before me, even during COVID, delivering babies without their partners. And even my next door neighbour had a baby and her partner wasn't able to be present through the whole birth, and like she survived. The baby's great and she's very happy now and everything. So I'm just thinking about all those things and the years of women doing this alone we're strong beings, we can do it. And I just feel like I'm well able to do this on my own, and I'm prepared to kind of be doing all this on my own inside the hospital, obviously. Like outside, this is obviously Paddy and I's baby, so we're sharing everything all the way along. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm just kind of thinking positively. It's very hard because I want him there no matter what. I find that I'm crying so much. I'll talk about this all in my 12-week update as well. I feel like I'm just so emotional, like everything's making me upset, and the fact like I'm even going to this appointment without him has made me upset today. The fact that I like had to come home last night and I didn't sleep with him last night, like stay over with him, that's made me upset. Like the stupidest things, like it's a crazy roller coaster of emotions. It's just gone have to have my appointments in an hour. You have to have a full-ish bladder before you go for your scan. My first scan was like that, and I was afraid I was drinking too much and then not drinking enough, because I know when my mum went for her first scan with me, they couldn't find me because her bladder was so full. They were covering me. By the time this vlog goes up, it'll all have been over, and I'm sure I'll be so excited because I'll have seen the baby moving and stuff. I'm very excited. I really am excited to see the baby. It's amazing. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Guys, it's really dark. It's just getting dark earlier and earlier in Ireland, but I'm home from my scan and I have loads of little pictures of the little bub, and everything went really well. So I got told by the nurse like everything's fine. They took my bloods. They're just gonna do check to make sure like my iron's okay and everything's okay. I'm already on my prenatals and stuff, so they were like happy enough with that. I was taking folic acid before my pregnancy, so they were pretty confident with, you know, everything developing, especially in the spine. And because obviously I knew like I was going to have a baby in the next year or so, so I just was taking folic acid, I'd say for the last, maybe since January. The heart is developing perfectly. They showed me like the 4 little chambers. They showed me the skull and both sides of the brain looking great, kidneys, everything. So the baby looks really good. Heartbeat is 151 beats per minute. It was 179 on my very first scan. This was way more detailed, and the girl who's doing my scan, I went to school with her, so it was great because I was able to like chat with Denise, and I was talking to her and she was like showing me everything, and she was like, these are the kidneys and this is this and this is that, and she was like, don't tell anybody, but gave me like tons of pictures. And she was like, just in case some of the women are out there and they've only got like 1 or 2 scans or something. So I was delighted. I can see everything like moving around in the scan. I could see the baby, and I'm really excited. Paddy and I aren't going to find out what the baby is. We both have our hunches, because obviously like I was looking at the scan myself to see could I make things out, and I was like, maybe that's that, but I don't really know what I'm looking at, even though scans are pretty clear. At like 14 weeks you can kind of see everything, but I was like, I think that's that, or is it? No, that could be the umbilical cord. So we don't know, and we're not gonna find out. He just wants a surprise, and that's fair enough. Paddy's mum and dad got a baby book for the both of us to kind of put everything in, so I have a little slot here for my little scans. These are the original baby scans, so I now have the bigger ones to put in there. So we go through all this. Like, it's a really cute little book. It has like your birth plan and, you know, the day you arrived and all like these things like your footprints, visitors, and then like stuff about before the baby was born, like finding out. I just haven't filled it all in yet because like that I was just waiting for this scan to do that. So yeah, I'll show you what I wore to my scan just in case you're curious. This is how we're dressed for the scan. I was wearing this big puffy jacket from Zara, these leggings from Zara, my boots from Zara, a little cropped jumper from Penny's, and then just this little cami top. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but maybe from the side you can kind of see my 14-week belly. It's not really, I don't know if it's even evident. You can kind of see like a little bump. Like, I definitely have put on a good bit of weight like since getting pregnant. Like, not a good bit of weight, I've put on the adequate amount because I was asking the nurse. When they weighed me, she told me that I had, from my pre-pregnancy weight, I've gained 10 pounds, which is not too bad, but it's just a lot for me, I guess, because I'm just not used to gaining weight so quickly, and it's kind of like mad just getting used to your body. But most of it's gone to my boobs. Like, my boobs have gone up like 2, nearly 3 cup sizes. I need to go up in a bra size again, and I'm just quite bloated, but the rest of my body like looks the exact same. It's just like my boobs and my bump. But it's all really good. It was just kind of a bit daunting, I suppose, to like have gained that much weight, and I'm eating really healthy, so I don't know. Guys, I'm just I'm editing the vlog where I found out I was pregnant. I'm so emotional, it's bloody crazy. It's just like I'm so shell shocked. I remember the day that I found out I was pregnant, how emotional and kind of shocked I was, because I think even if you're planning your pregnancy, you don't even know what sort of reaction you're going to have when you find out you're pregnant. I'm looking forward to putting this vlog up and talking to other women in the comment section and stuff that have been through pregnancy, and I'm looking forward to chatting to y'all. I just think if you've been here for so long through like me doing makeup, what the hell's on my neck? What the hell that is. I have like a mark. My skin's not great at the moment, like since I found out I was pregnant. Like I'm getting like dry patches all over my skin and on my eyelids, and I have like breakouts also. God knows what the hell that is. But yeah, I'm looking forward to talking to you guys about the whole thing and talking about the pregnancy, and that I can be open about it now, and like listening to you guys' experiences, and it's very fun. And I know like with COVID, I keep saying like how crap it is, because like I can't even go to antenatal classes or anything like that, so I can't meet other women that are in the same circumstances as me. But I have all my friends who've been through it before, and they're there like to text, to ring, and you know, I can talk to all of them. So just be nice to talk to you guys online, be nice to go back to Instagram. I know I'm working full-time still, so that's what's kind of made it really hard for me to come in and out of Instagram or YouTube even, because it's just, I've been so tired. And then once I'm finished like doing my full-time job, I'm just kind of like, right, I have no time for the computer anymore. So yeah, anyway, I hope this video will be up early-ish tomorrow, or maybe late this evening. I'll see what way it's going with the editing. And Patty and I took pictures at the weekend, so I'll be sticking them up as well. Hello, Fluffy. Hello, Fluff. You're the best boy ever. We got a grooming kit to groom Chewy, and we only did like one half of him. You can kind of see, and then this half is all fluffy. We still have to do this side, don't we? Yes, we do. And do your face, which you don't like that very much. But you're so fluffy at the moment. I could like sink my hand in there. Yes, you are. The best boy ever, aren't you? Aren't you the best boy ever? So not impressed. He's like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm going around this house like an idiot trying to find my bloody phone. I have no idea where it is. I don't know where I put it. Anyway guys, I'm going to log off for the night because I'm going down to finish watching the US election, which I'm kind of been like binging over the last day because it's super interesting. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, why are Irish people, or why are Canadians, or why are Australians, or why are whatever not as interested in their own voting system. I'm really interested in my own voting system, and definitely the politics of my own country and what goes on in my own country, but I also find it fascinating with America, and definitely in respects to the size of America and the population and the leaders of America, and a lot of the decisions that America makes impact the rest of the world, whether we like it or not. So I am very much interested in politics. I obviously don't talk about it online because I just feel like if you want to listen to somebody talk about politics who knows the ins and outs of politics, I'm not the person to go to. But anyway, I've been finding the US elections, the whole situation, quite interesting, and I feel like it's just, there's been curveballs thrown left, right and centre, and I am going to go down and do that. I'm going to hang out with my dad. We're going to finish watching the US elections. I'm going to put a hoodie on, chill out for the evening, take this makeup off, and yeah, probably not put makeup on for the next 6 months. Me and little bub are we're just gonna rest for the rest of the day, and then I need to sort out my room tomorrow because it's like a hot mess. It's like the place exploded. And then I have to get my vaccine, my whatever the hell it is, my jab, flu vaccine in 2 days. Did I mention about the cyst? I don't think I did. So when I was getting my scan done, she was saying that I have a cyst on my left ovary, and it was nothing to worry about. It was just from progesterone during the early pregnancy that caused it to develop. It more than likely will go away by itself, or it might burst. I might find some discomfort or pain. If that does happen, to go to the doctor, but also not to be too alarmed. It's nothing to do with the baby. So I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on that. I had a cyst when I was about 19. And I remember it burst, and I remember the excruciating pain of it. So I just have to kind of keep an eye on this now, especially during pregnancy. I don't think it is going to cause any problems with the pregnancy or anything like that, but she didn't say that, so I'm presuming. Anyway, that's enough of that. That's the last thing I think I have to tell you. I will do an updated video soon. I know I keep saying that, but I will. And I'll talk to you in more details then about everything. And I'm sorry if you are watching as a long time subscriber and I'm doing pregnancy content now and that's like not what you signed up for, you wanted makeup. I just want to say, like, I shouldn't have to say, but this channel's nearly 8 years old. I'm gonna progress in life, things move on, we're having a baby now and we're a bit more adults, and you know, just life changes. I'm not as interested in makeup as I used to be. I still enjoy it, but I feel like I need to say that because I feel like if people are going to probably come at me and be like, why is it all like baby content and vlogs now? That's just the way it is. I'm still going to do like makeup reviews, like when I get a foundation or anything like that. I'm going to be like, I really want to try this out. I still do love makeup. It's just that other aspects of my life are definitely going to take over. And I kind of hope that ye that have grown up watching this channel, that you're obviously in different phases of your life, that this interests you a little bit more, this kind of content, than me just talking about, you know, what makeup I'm going to wear out this weekend. You know, even though I'm not going anywhere because I'm in lockdown. But anyway, I just thought I should say that, guys. We'll talk to you all in my next vlog. I love you so much and thank you so much for all your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye, guys.